Hello, in front of me I have Smartwatch DT93 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the lower or the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping up or down on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, tap on the option called language, and now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, of course. Find the language you like to use on your watch, for example, German, and tap on it to select it, like this. And as you can see, the language changed now. I'm gonna bring it back to English quickly, like that. And that's how you basically change the language on this device. And once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.